Hi, hello everyone. In this video, now we see our Indian scientist. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, aerospace scientist, 11th President of India. Dr. Ananda Mohan Sarabhatti, genetic engineer, Indian American microbiologist, General Electric Company. Ashok Chen, Indian theoretical physicist and distinguished professor, Harish Chandra Research Institute, Allahabad. Gopal Chandra Bhattacharya, Indian entomologist and naturalist, Bose Institute, Kolkata. Hargobind Khurana, Indian American microchemist, University of Wisconsin-Madison. Homi Jahangir Baba, Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Jagadish Chandra Bose, physicist, biologist, biophysicist, botanist, and archaeologist, and an early writer of science fiction in British India. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar, Indian astrophysicist, Cambridge University. Meghnad Saga, Indian astrophysicist. Prafulla Sundar Rai, Indian Bengali chemist, educationist, historian, industrialist, and philanthropist. Prasanta Chandra Magalanopis, Indian scientist and statistician. Satyendranath Bose, Indian physicist, specializing in theoretical physics. Dr. Shankar Chatterjee, paleontologist. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkataraman, Indian physicist, field of light scattering. Srinivasa Ramanujam, Indian mathematician. Subhas Mukhopadhyay, Indian Bengali scientist, physician from Hyderabad, who created the world's second and India's first child using in vitro fertilization. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, Indian American astrophysicist. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan, Indian British American structural biologist. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai, Indian physicist and astronomer. Vilayanur Subramanian Ramachandran, Indian American neuroscientist.